Are you thinking of moving to a new, smaller home? What are your reasons to make this move? Have you considered all your possible reasons? What reasons would there be for you to downsize your home? Well, stay tuned. We're going to discuss 9 important considerations in how to downsize your home right after this. Hi, I'm Bob Wybrecht, a Missouri licensed realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty Gundaker in St. Louis, Missouri. If you're interested in all things residential real estate, please subscribe and click that bell icon for insights and tips on the residential real estate market. I publish new videos every Wednesday and you don't want to miss a thing. Now on to the reason why you stopped by, and that is the 9 considerations on how to downsize your home. Sure, there are plenty of reasons to downsize to a smaller home, such as you found yourself as an empty nester, you're not happy with your home's location, you wish to be closer to family and friends, your home just no longer fits your lifestyle, you're tired of the never-ending house maintenance, yard maintenance, increasing utility costs, increasing real estate taxes, and increasing homeowners insurance. Any one or more of these can be a valid reason to downsize your home. You want a more relaxed lifestyle to come and go and to do as you please. Who could fault you for that? Your decision to downsize may have benefits you've not even thought of, such as more time for desired activities, lower utility costs, reduced home and yard maintenance, reduced real estate taxes, and reduced homeowners insurance. This implies more money can be put into your pocket, which in turn can be put into savings and investment accounts, which may mean an early retirement and taking off on an RV adventure. Sounds like a lot of fun, doesn't it? Whatever your reason for downsizing, it can be an emotional decision and an emotional process, leaving behind all the family memories, the friendly neighbors, and so much more. It helps to take an objective look at the 9 things when considering downsizing. Here are the 9 things to consider in how to downsize your home. Number 1, your plans. Consider your future. Do you plan to make the smaller home your forever home? If so, think about the accommodations for you and those living with you. For instance, a home with stairs may be an obstacle for a person with disabilities or an elderly person. What about the laundry facilities? Do you want a washer and dryer on the main floor or in the basement? If you're going to rent, does the house, apartment building, or condo have an elevator, or is it all stairs? Consider the nearby amenities such as shopping, recreation, major roads, etc. You will need to leave your new home sometimes, if nothing more than for essentials. Number 2, your household. How many people will be living with you? Do you have a significant other? Will there be children living with you? This is truly the measure of how small of a home you can move to. After all, moving a large family into a small 2-bedroom is not practical and in some cases may be illegal in some areas. Number 3, your personal space. How much personal space do you need? What do you like to do in your spare time? Do you prefer to be around others for social interaction, such as in a close-knit neighborhood with lots of families? Or is solitude and alone time more of what you're looking for in a rural location, far, far away from others? What about your hobbies? Some hobbies, such as model railroading or woodworking, can take up a lot of space, while gaming or puzzle assembly can take up a little room. Consider your personal space before committing to downsizing, not just those of your household. Number 4, your home office. Are you and or your significant other employed? Can you work from home instead of commuting to work? Do either of you have a side hustle for extra income? Consider the current and potential future requirements of your income source and plan accordingly. To generate income from an employment or side hustle, you may need a private room or space closed off from the rest of the home where you can concentrate on the task at hand. Number 5, desired amenities. Think about the amenities in your current home. Do you have a pool, or does your subdivision have one? Are there any recreational facilities you might miss, such as a clubhouse or a tennis court? Is your yard fenced for your dog? Keep your pets in mind during this time. Check out the activities in the neighborhood you're considering moving to. Remember, a smaller home may encourage you to get out more. Having activities to look forward to will increase your enjoyment and satisfaction. Number 6, your neighbors. How close do you want your neighbors? A few feet away in the next home, or an apartment or a condo where you can share their love of music, or an acre or more away where you can barely see their home. This is an important consideration in your decision. Number 7, guest accommodations. Guests to your new home may be an invited or a welcome surprise. This could be a major consideration in downsizing to a smaller home. How often could you have guests? How many guests would be there at one time? How long would they stay? What would they like to do when staying with you? Think about the desired area you want to move to. Does it have a motel, a hotel nearby to refer guests to? Are there any rental properties nearby? If your downsizing plans include moving to a popular area such as a resort or recreation area, you may have guests more often than you realize. Just say. So you may wish to factor in a room and bath guest accommodations. Number 8, decluttering versus storage. Moving to a smaller home means less space. Consider where you're going to put all of your stuff. Does your smaller home have an attic, a basement, a garage, a storage shed? What about that fishing boat or that RV? Do you have a work vehicle? Check with your homeowners association about the rules for parking vehicles in your driveway. Hint, do this before you're obligated to buy your next home. If there's not enough storage space and the homeowners association rules prohibit you from storing recreational or even work vehicles in your driveway, what are you going to do? Are you going to rent storage space or let go of stuff? One may cost you a little money over time, others may make you money over time. 9, appliances and furniture. Regarding appliances, did you know that in the St. Louis Realtors real estate purchase agreement, the kitchen stove, built-in microwave, dishwasher, garbage disposal remain with the home after the sale unless otherwise specified in the agreement by the buyer and seller? The refrigerator, washer and dryer, and small countertop appliances are considered personal property and can be taken when you move, unless you guessed it is specified in the agreement. So, do you plan to take the refrigerator, washer, and dryer with you? And if so, is there room in your smaller home for them? If not, could they be left in the home if the buyer agrees, sold, or donated? What about your furniture? Will it fit in the smaller home? You may need to buy smaller furniture for your smaller home. Photographs can make rooms appear larger than what they actually are, meaning that large, overstuffed sectional and huge 8-person dining room set may not fit where you want it to. If this is the case, then you will likely need furniture to fit the available space in your new home. Psst. It is my goal to give value first. As a reward to you, yes, you, for watching, here's a bonus consideration. By the way, don't tell those who jumped off. It's their loss. Number 10, your financial goals. Finally, what about your long-term financial goals? Will downsizing to a smaller home help you with your personal financial goals? For many homeowners, downsizing to save money is an important incentive in moving to a smaller home. There are many financial reasons to downsize, such as saving for an education of a child, save for retirement, save for just about anything. Many people are just simply looking for a way to stretch their dollar. So what are your financial goals and how are they related to your downsizing move? Question: will that extra guest room mentioned in item number 7 work out for you as a rental space for extra income? If downsizing is in your future, whether next month or several years away, make plans sooner than later. Your future self will thank you when you're enjoying life in your smaller, uncluttered, downsized home. Now that you have valuable information to consider in downsizing your home, as they say on TV, but wait, there's more. Click on the video in the corner to learn more about the home buying and selling process. Remember to subscribe and click that bell icon. I'll see you next time. Make it a great day.